My 60-day test of the 50-30-20 rule with Monarch Money increased savings by 18.5%.
The 50-30-20 rule allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This clear framework simplifies financial planning. Understand your net monthly income first. Next, I used Monarch Money, which cost $14.99 per month annually. It directly links bank accounts, automatically categorizes transactions, and tracks spending against your budget. Connect your accounts there. To establish a baseline, I reviewed 30 days of past transactions in Monarch. This revealed my actual want spending was 43%, significantly above the 30% target. Adjust categories as needed. Monarch's custom rules and real-time alerts help me cut specific want categories. I reduced dining out from $410 to $265 monthly, a 35.3% reduction within 2 weeks. Review progress weekly. After 60 days, my overall savings rate increased by 18.5%, hitting the 20% target. Monarch Money's detailed reporting showed I saved an additional $323 compared to the prior period. Continue monitoring. You've learned how to implement the 50-30-20 rule with Monarch Money to boost your savings. Now watch our video on automating business finances.